Black seed oil is a dark amber or yellow liquid with a spicy and bitter taste. It contains antioxidants and bioactive compounds that can protect your cells from damage and inflammation. The most significant compound in black seed oil is thymoquinone, which has potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Thymoquinone can also aid in treating various diseases, such as asthma, cancer, and diabetes. Hello and welcome to my channel, where I share with you the amazing benefits of natural remedies for your health. Today, I will discuss the benefits of black seed oil, which is extracted from the seeds of the nigella sativa plant. This oil has been used for over 2,000 years in traditional medicine and offers numerous therapeutic properties. In this video, you will learn about the various uses of black seed oil, how to use it, and its potential side effects. Before we continue, remember to hit the subscribe button, click on the bell icon, and turn on the notifications so that you get all of our new video uploads every week. Number 1. Help reduce acne. Acne is a skin condition that affects the hair follicles and oil glands on the face, chest, and back. The disease manifests itself in pimples, blackheads, whiteheads, and inflammation. It is a common ailment that affects millions of people worldwide and can significantly impact their self-esteem and quality of life. One of the leading causes of acne is the presence of bacteria that infect the pores and cause inflammation. Black seed oil is a natural remedy that has been found to have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties can help kill the bacteria and reduce the swelling associated with acne. A study conducted on the effectiveness of black seed oil found that using a gel made with black seed extract twice daily for 60 days can reduce acne severity by up to 78%. The study participants reported a significant improvement in their skin condition, including a reduction in the number of pimples, blackheads, and whiteheads. Number 2. Help treat psoriasis. Psoriasis is a chronic skin condition that manifests as raised, scaly red patches on the skin. The affected area can be itchy, sore, and uncomfortable. It occurs when the immune system mistakenly attacks the body's own skin cells, causing inflammation. Black seed oil, a natural remedy, has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties and may help regulate the immune system. Studies conducted on animals suggest that black seed oil can alleviate the symptoms of psoriasis. However, further research is required to determine its efficacy in humans. Number 3. Promote wound healing. When the skin is broken due to an injury, it results in wounds that cause bleeding, pain, and can lead to infection. Wound healing is a complex process that involves various stages, like inflammation, tissue growth, and scar formation. Black seed oil is known to have several benefits in speeding up the process of wound healing by promoting tissue growth and reducing inflammation. Furthermore, it has antibacterial properties that prevent the wound from getting infected. Studies conducted on animals have shown that black seed oil can be beneficial in treating burns, excisions, and diabetic wounds. Number 4. Support hair health. Human hair is a complex structure made up of a tough protein called keratin. It grows from tiny pockets in the skin on our heads called hair follicles. Various factors, including genetics, diet, hormones, stress, and environmental conditions, influence our hair's health. Common hair issues include hair loss, dryness, brittleness, split ends, and dandruff that can lead to an itchy and flaky scalp. Fortunately, black seed oil can significantly improve hair health by providing essential nutrients that nourish the scalp and hair follicles. The oil is rich in antioxidants and essential fatty acids that help prevent hair damage and promote growth. Additionally, black seed oil has antifungal properties that can help to eliminate dandruff-causing fungi and promote a healthy scalp. Number 5. Aid in the treatment of vitiligo. Vitiligo is a skin condition that affects the pigmentation of your skin, causing white patches to appear in different areas of your body. The situation arises from destroying melanocytes, which produce melanin, the pigment that gives your skin its color. Black seed oil can help counteract this effect by increasing melanin production and safeguarding melanocytes from further damage. By doing so, black seed oil can help restore your skin's natural pigmentation, leading to a more even and uniform complexion. These are just some of the benefits of black seed oil for your health. There are many more benefits that I will cover in another video soon. Now, how do you use black seed oil? There are two main ways to use black seed oil, orally or topically. Black seed oil can be taken orally in capsule or liquid form. The dosage depends on the condition you want to treat and your body weight. However, the amount of black seed oil you can take per day ranges from 1 to 3 teaspoons or 5 to 15 milliliters. You can take it as it is or mix it with honey or water if you don't like the taste. It is important to note that black seed oil has a slightly bitter taste and a pungent aroma that some people may find unpleasant. Therefore, mixing it with honey or water can make the taste more palatable. Using black seed oil topically is easy. You can apply it directly to your skin or hair or mix it with other oils and ingredients to create DIY products. For instance, you can make a nourishing face mask by mixing black seed oil with yogurt and honey. You can also create a hair mask by combining black seed oil with coconut oil and egg, or a moisturizing body lotion by mixing black seed oil with shea butter and essential oils. It is essential to perform a patch test before using black seed oil for the first time to ensure you are not allergic to it. Apply a small amount of the oil to a small area of the skin and wait 24 hours to check for any redness, itching, or swelling. This precautionary measure will help you avoid potential skin irritations or allergic reactions. Finally, what are the possible side effects of black seed oil? Black seed oil is generally safe and well tolerated by most people. However, some people may experience some mild side effects such as stomach upset, nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea. To avoid side effects, taking black seed oil with food or reducing the dosage is recommended. Allergic reactions such as rash, hives, itching, or swelling can be prevented by doing a patch test before using black seed oil and avoiding it if you are allergic to it or its components. Low blood pressure or blood sugar. These side effects can be dangerous for people who have hypertension or diabetes. You should monitor your blood pressure and blood sugar levels regularly and consult your doctor before using black seed oil if you have these conditions or take any medications that affect them. Bleeding problems. Black seed oil may have anticoagulant effects, which means it can thin your blood and increase the risk of bleeding. You should avoid black seed oil if you have a bleeding disorder or take any blood thinners such as warfarin or aspirin. Black seed oil may also interact with some medications, herbs, or supplements. You should consult your doctor before using black seed oil if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have any medical conditions or take any medications. That's all for today's video. I hope you learned something new and useful about black seed oil. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think about black seed oil, or if you have any questions. Thank you for watching and see you next in the next video.